If you have avocado in your home, make this amazing and easy salad. To start this recipe, I will cut a lettuce. We're gonna need a tomato. I'll cut it into long slices and then into small cubes. Next, we will cut half green bell pepper. Tell me how you like to make salad at home. Now I will use half red bell pepper. I'm sure you will love the end result of this recipe. Let's cut half a yellow bell pepper. Just like we did before. Next, I'll cut a whole cucumber. I doubt you've ever made a recipe like this before. We'll also grate a carrot. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you how to make this amazing salad. Now let's cut an avocado in half. Now in a container, I will put 200 grams of heavy cream. Let's add 1/2 of the avocado into the bowl. For this, I will cut it into small cubes, this way as I am doing. Even I do it often in my home. Let's add a tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of a lime, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and also 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna mix it up, and before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Isabel Trindad from Mexico. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Let's transfer the ingredients we cut into a mold. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure everyone will love it. It is perfect to ensure a healthy diet with only natural ingredients and very tasty. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it so well that it gets done. When I do, I never have anything left, because it is really very difficult to eat just a little. Let's add 170 grams of corn. Now I'll put the other half of the avocado on top of the other ingredients. Avocado will add a special touch to the taste of our salad. To finish, I will put the mixture we prepared previously in the bowl over everything. And with the help of a spoon, mix very well. With a few everyday ingredients, we can make an amazing avocado salad. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. Teach her to that friend of yours who doesn't really like eating meat. I'm sure he'll love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.